In this video, I'll show you how to remove apps and services from your Google account. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, I'm going to open up Google Chrome on my laptop and then I'm going to make sure to sign in here. Now, once you sign in, click onto your account and then you want to click on Manage Your Google Account. And now once you're inside this page here, you want to click onto the security tab on the left hand side under Google account. And then once you're inside here, scroll down until you see your connections to third-party apps and services. So go ahead and click on to see all connections. And now, as you can see, I've got 69 total apps and services inside my Google account. So to remove a service or an app, simply click on it. So for this example, I'm going to click on 23andMe DNA testing. And now I'm going to scroll down. And now you'll see a button that's called Delete All Connections you have with 23andMe DNA testing. I'm going to click into that. And now I'm going to delete the connections I have with this app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Confirm. And that's how you remove an app and service inside your Google account.